Okay, here's the Business PowerTools dashboard. It's loaded with templates to build every area of your company. First, let's walk through the tabs to see how much power you have at your fingertips. This is actually new and, I dare say, revolutionary visual document management system. It's uniquely designed to support agile, lean, flexible business development. It keeps all of your plans, calculations, and correspondence organized and secure for ongoing access. We're starting on the homepage, where all subscriptions included access to this homepage. You can think of it as your internal company bulletin board. Here's where you can make sure everyone in your company knows what's happening and can speak knowledgeably about your business and your products and services to everyone. Next up is the business plan page, where we've got our world famous BizPlan Builder. We've sold over 2 million copies of BizPlan Builder in the last 30 years. And it's been very successful, and it's easy to access here. You can simply open up one of these tiles and it opens up everything. There's financial models, supporting documents, for example, inviting people to be on your board of advisors, your board of directors, other things in there that are useful to your planning and presentation to investors. We've got some worksheets. Your investor presentation deck sample is in here. A variety of video tutorials that come with each section of the business plan that I'll tell you about later, but they pre-frame what investors and lenders are looking for in your business plan. In the contact section, we're going to replace our CRM system. We had one in there, it was nice, but we're putting a new one in. It doesn't compete with something like an Entreport or an Infusionsoft. It's really for maintaining your own internal contacts. That's the idea there. The Finance tab has a number of financial models. These are all Excel models that have been uploaded into the internet, but they run online, but they work just like Excel you're used to. Funding resources, supporting documents. We have a section even on collections, where it's a progressively stronger language telling people, hey, you owe us money, send us payment. You can see what these templates look like. Every one of them's got comments, and these are supporting comments that can be turned on or off with a button. And these are completely editable and customizable and reusable. I'll show you a little more about that later. There's another investor presentation bit here. There are sample agreements, keeping track of your shareholders. We have stock options, a number of things there. Also, what we have are news and blogs that you can customize for each different section. They're all live RSS feeds. You can add your own, customize, and we put a few in there to start with. You also have priorities, which is a simplified to-do list for each area of your business. And you can simply add them in here and just keep track of this stuff, so make sure nothing falls off the wagon. The HR page has our employee handbook in it with over 200 policies. It also includes, every section here includes the priorities, blogs, certain pieces, resources, where there's more things we have for you. We have hiring documents for onboarding, correspondence for HR agreements, 700 sample job descriptions we'll show you, other templates for managing in here as well. There's a manager's procedures guide, which helps you train your managers. Everybody needs to know how to manage people and understand your policies and procedures and how to administer them, because you want to keep your company not having any HR distractions, put it that way. The legal section, more calculators. We manage your intellectual property. We've got corporate docs in here, a handbook of business contracts, because for non-lawyers to understand some legal aspects of business that you should understand. The management tab includes more calculators, more tools, more supporting docs, a number of things. This also includes a section on governance and on board meeting minutes for keeping your corporate paperwork proper. Marketing section has got a number of things. We've got a marketing plan, a marketing strategy here. I'll talk more about the calculators in a bit. Worksheets, supporting docs, more contracts that are marketing oriented, a number of different things for marketing. Under procedures, we've got our safety plan, security, best practices, more individual specific procedures of different things you can do or you need to do. This is important if you're ever going to take a vacation. Your people need to know what they need to do. PR and media. This is also covers social media, PR, social, and so a PR calendar you can track and anticipate future public relations opportunities, so you know to follow up on those and pursue those. There's calculators for budgets in here. There's worksheets in here for positioning, goal setting, your company fact sheet. These are the things that are just proper PR tools that you need to have all the time. There's a big, wonderful PR tutorial in here that explains every aspect of public relations. The R&D section includes, well, more product plans, more calculators, supporting documents and worksheets for R&D. Sales has 180 different templates altogether. I'll tell you about that later. But you can imagine between the supporting docs and appointment setting, customer service, prospecting, announcements, and other things, there's a lot here, including a sales proposal builder for helping you put together your sales proposals. And then finally, under the Downloads tab is your ability to access the Windows apps and templates that we've been selling forever, and we still have those, but that's where you get the downloads, and that's how it works.